I'm classified as a Plutino, which is a trans-Neptunian object. Here we'll talk about the info astronomers collect. One more thing about Van, that's it orbits me. It's nearly based on an perfect circle you see. Why satellites they dream from meaning similar to me. It is a demon and Etruscan mythology. One complete orbit from Van takes 9.54 days. Here's some more about me through my info doorway. I'm about 917 kilometers in diameter, and width is roughly 276 kilometers. I'm classified as a Plutino, which is a trans-Neptunian object. Here we'll talk about the info astronomers collect. I'm classified as a Plutino, which is a trans-Neptunian object. Here we'll talk about the info astronomers collect.
I am Flower, and I'm a dwarf planet candidate in the outreaches of the Kuiper Belt where I orbit. My name is Flower, there is so much to learn about me as we adventure on our space journey odyssey. That was discovered on June 4th in 2002 by astronomers Chatrio and Michael Brown, to name the two. The Simulation Telescope did discover me in California at the Palomar Observatory. Named after an important figure in mythology of Mission Indians in southern coast of California Sea. Before my name was approved by the IAU, my professional designation was 2002 LM60, it's true. My name in full is 50,000 Glor, and I'm roughly half the size of our core planet Pluto. By far I am Glor, and I'm a dwarf planet candidate in the outreaches of the Kuiper Belt where I orbit. My name is Glor, there is so much to learn about me as we adventure on our space journey odyssey. My orbit around the sun is nearly circular enough, about 285 Earth years is 1 year on my surface though. Astronomers think my color's moderately red at bad. I'm 1250 kilometers in diameter, they have said. I'm about 6 billion kilometers from Earth. It would take 100,000 years to walk to me for what it is worth. Scientists were shocked to find signs of crystalline ice and ammonia hydrate on my surface. Isn't that nice? I am Glor, and I'm a dwarf planet candidate in the outreaches of the Kuiper Belt where I orbit. My name is Glor, there is so much to learn about me as we adventure on our space journey odyssey. I have one note satellite, its name is Wait, February 22nd, 2007, when you learned of it. Michael E. Brown did discover my moon from images taken in February 2006, that is true. Waywood size is about 74 kilometers, that's an estimated size of my satellite's diameter. There's more trans-Neptunian objects to be found. Maybe you could be the next astronomer to break that ground. I am Glor, and I'm a dwarf planet candidate in the outreaches of the Kuiper Belt where I orbit. My name is Glor, there is so much to learn about me as we adventure on our space journey odyssey.
120,347 Salacia. I'm a trans-Neptunian object, it's real nice to meet ya. My provisional designation is 2004 SB60. Listen to my song if you want to learn more about me. I was discovered on September 22nd, 2004 by American astronomers. There were 3 for sure. Their names are Henry Rowe, Michael Brown, and Christina Barkoon. While working at the Palomar Observatory, this is true. My provisional designation's 2004 SB60. I'm a trans-Neptunian object, as you can see. I'm located within the Kuiper Belt in the outer solar system, 850 kilometers in diameter. I'm spun 120,347 Salacia. I'm a trans-Neptunian object, it's real nice to meet ya. My provisional designation is 2004 SB60. Listen to my song if you want to learn more about me. Located 44.8 astronomical units from the sun, I've been observed 124 times with recovery images on my run. My orbital distance is slightly greater than Pluto. I orbit 272 years, of this I will show. I was named after the Roman goddess Latia. You have learned my radius is 281 miles as I turn. I have a single known moon named Actaea here. Its diameter's 190 miles as it appears. Actaea is 1/3 of the diameter of me, you see. Michael Brown thinks I'm a dwarf planet, but it's debated theory. 120,347 Salacia. I'm a trans-Neptunian object, it's real nice to meet ya. My provisional designation is 2004 SB60. Listen to my song if you want to learn more about me. 120,347 Salacia. I'm a trans-Neptunian object, it's real nice to meet ya. My provisional designation is 2004 SB60. Listen to my song if you want to learn more about me.
I'm 20,000 Varuna, I'm here to teach you correct. I was classified as a trans-Neptunian object. I'm 20,000 Varuna, you can call me Varuna for short. I am oval in shape, and I'm here to teach and report. My name is 20,000 Varuna, I'm sure your eyes are transfixed. My professional designation's 2000 WR106. I was discovered in December in the year of 2000 by American astronomer Robert S. McMillan during a space launch at KPNO. I have an elongated shape due to my rapid rotation as shown. I was named after the Hindu deity. Varuna is my name, please say it back to me. I'm 20,000 Varuna, I'm here to teach you correct. I was classified as a trans-Neptunian object. I'm 20,000 Varuna, you can call me Varuna for short. I am oval in shape, and I'm here to teach and report. I'm a possible dwarf planet located in the Kuiper Belt in the outer solar system is where my presence is felt. Info from my light curve says I'm a Jacobi ellipsoid. My elongated shape due to my rapid rotation among the asteroids. My rapid rotation period is 6.34 hours. January 2001 is when it was first measured. The color of my surface is moderately red due to the complex organic compounds astronomers said. Water ice is thought to be present on my surface. Because of past collisions I was exposed. Now you're learning this. No natural satellites have been recorded around me yet, but in 2019 I may have a satellite astronomer suggest. I'm 20,000 Varuna, I'm here to teach you correct. I was classified as a trans-Neptunian object. I'm 20,000 Varuna, you can call me Varuna for short. I am oval in shape, and I'm here to teach and report.
I am 2014 UC224. I'm a new dwarf planet candidate. Let me tell you some more. I may soon be the smallest dwarf in our solar system. Listen carefully, more information is sure to come. Dated on August 19th in 2014. David Gertz and his student team did discover me. David Gertz led a team from the University of Michigan, and that team had found me with a telescope with no intent. Cerro-Tololo Inter-American Observatory is located in the Andes in the country of Chile. That's where the Blanco telescope is housed, so it can see using the dark energy camera they attached to discover me. The dark energy camera was built to make a map of distant galaxies in the universe. Now how about that? The team led by David Gertz that had discovered me noticed a small dot moving through space and found it wasn't debris. Way out in the Kuiper Belt is where I was found, you know. I'll tell you more about me. First, let's sing the chorus though. I am 2014 UC224. I'm a new dwarf planet candidate. Let me tell you some more. I may soon be the smallest dwarf in our solar system. Listen carefully, more information is sure to come. I'll be the smallest dwarf planet in our solar system seen. I'm 330 miles wide, even smaller than Ceres, the second farthest body from our sun with a stable orbit. And I'm 8.5 billion miles from the sun, I admit. I'd take 1100 Earth years to orbit the sun. That's a mighty long year on my surface while I'm being spun. The IAUMPC announced to the public I'm here on October 11, 2016 after data cleared. The IAU Minor Planet Center will classify me. After that I will be back to brag about it officially. There's a lot of possible dwarf planets in our solar system. There may even be another planet to discover and become. I am 2014 UC224. I'm a new dwarf planet candidate. Let me tell you some more. I may soon be the smallest dwarf in our solar system. Listen carefully, more information is sure to come. I am 2014 UC224. I'm a new dwarf planet candidate. Let me tell you some more. I may soon be the smallest dwarf in our solar system. Listen carefully, more information is sure to come.
I'm nicknamed far, far out because I'm the furthest away in your solar system observed so far today. 2018 AG 37 is my name, a trans-Neptunian object with a newfound fame. My first image was taken in January of 2018. Here's more about me. I'm a trans-Neptunian object and I'm currently the farthest object in the solar system anyone's seen. I was discovered by astronomer Scott Shepard and David Bowen and Chad Trujillo at the Mauna Kea observatories on the big island named Hawaii. So you know, the 8.2 meter Subaru telescope did discover my find with a lot of hope. While scanning in the solar system for Planet 9, I was discovered by accident, but what a find. Astronomers found me 140 AU. That's astronomical units from the sun, it's true. That's 140 times the distance from Earth to the sun. I am extremely far from you, that fact is fun. To put this in perspective, Pluto orbits at an average distance of 39.5 AU from the sun with persistence. I'm currently farther than any observable object known in solar solar system. Yeah, that's no stone's throw. At a very faint apparent magnitude of 25, only the largest telescope in the world can observe me. That's no jive. My brightness suggests I'm roughly 250 miles wide, but I'm barely big enough to qualify as a dwarf planet size. My size estimate assumes my world largely made of ice. That assumption could change with more observations, I advise. I'm nicknamed far, far out because I'm the furthest away in your solar system observed so far today. 2018 AG 37 is my name, a trans-Neptunian object with a newfound fame. I'm nicknamed far, far out because I'm the furthest away in your solar system observed so far today. 2018 AG 37 is my name, a trans-Neptunian object with a newfound fame.
My name is Sedna, a dwarf planet candidate. I'm in the furthest reaches of our solar system in orbit. On November 14th in 2003, the Palomar Observatory who discovered me. The names of astronomers are Michael Brown, Chad Trujillo, and Dave Rabinowitz are how I was found. My name Sedna means Inuit goddess of the sea, which derived from a young Arctic woman's grim Eskimo story. I'm a large minor planet, that is what I will be, until I meet the criteria for dwarf status, you see. My name is Sedna, a dwarf planet candidate. I'm in the furthest reaches of our solar system in orbit. My distance from the sun in my furthest orbit is about 84 billion miles. I barely see it. If you saw the sun from that distance, you wouldn't squint. It would be so small it could be blocked with the head of a pin. I'm the second reddest object in our solar system. The first reddest is Mars, yeah, I am second to him. I am 3/4 the size of our dwarf planet Pluto, and I'm believed to live in the inner or cloud, you know. My name is Sedna, a dwarf planet candidate. I'm in the furthest reaches of our solar system in orbit. The time I'm thought to take to orbit our sun once is 10,500 Earth years, yeah, that is a long run. It's predicted the last time I was closest to our sun, Earth was coming out of its last ice age. Now that isn't fun. I live in the coldest known region of our solar system. It's minus 240 degrees Celsius where I'm from. My name is Sedna, a dwarf planet candidate. I'm in the furthest reaches of our solar system in orbit. My name is Sedna, a dwarf planet candidate. I'm in the furthest reaches of our solar system in orbit.
I'm a hypothetical planet, they call me Planet 9. In the outer solar system, you may notice me in time. I'm a hypothetical planet, they call me Planet 9. I orbit your sun. When I'm discovered, I'll make headlines. My semi-major axis is for the 800 AU. AU means astronomical units. In this lesson I teach you, my Earth mass is thought to be between 5 to 10. 15 to 25 degrees is my orbital inclination. After the discovery of Neptune in 1846, there's been speculation of another planet that might exist. Maybe you'll become an astronomer and be the first to discover me. But until then, I'll be a hypothetical planet, you see. I'm a hypothetical planet, they call me Planet 9. In the outer solar system, you may notice me in time. I'm a hypothetical planet, they call me Planet